Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure opening a lookup record in a side pane or in a dialog without code using byld.dev flows. I'm here going to create a new build flow. I gave it a name, unique name. I'm going to choose a table. In this example I'm going to use the opportunity table, and the form I'm going to use the opportunity form as well. I'll save it, click edit. Now I will choose the trigger, like we'll configure the logic on the contact record when the contact tag is clicked. The normal behavior, basically, if you click on the lookup tag, it takes you to the record. Now, if you want, what we want to do is we want to cancel that normal behavior, and we want to open the record in a dialog or in a side pane. So our trigger here is when the contact lookup tag is clicked. So I'm going to search here for contact, and you can see that there is a contact tag clicked and the category is lookup trigger. Contact tag clicked. The next step is basically canceling the normal behavior, and in here if I want to search cancel normal behavior, so that basically will stop the normal behavior of navigating to the contact record when the user clicks on it. Instead, what we want to do is, in the first example, we're going to use open record, which navigates the user in. Instead of inline, we're going to use dialog instead. Width, I'm going to give it 600 pixels. Height is the same. Title. The position here, basically, if you want it in this, like the center of the screen or the right side of the screen, I'm going to use here center. Now, the required field here is the table schema name, and to get it, we can use the IntelliSense that byld provides. So I'm going to click on attributes dot contact dot table name, and the record here is going to be also attributes contact and ID. If you want to to display a specific form on the contact entity, you can just put here the ID of that form ID. And if you want to focus on a tab other than the default tab, you can put the unique name here, the unique name of the tab here. In this example, we're going to skip this and we keep the default behavior. Click on done, click on save. I'm going to publish. Great. So the flow is published. So I'm going to go to the form. All right. So if I click now on the contact, and you can see that it doesn't navigate, so that's the normal behavior is cancelled, but instead it will open it in a dialog. And you can see here that I have the contact record here. So that's the first example, opening it in a dialog. Additionally, or let's say alternatively, you can open the same dialog but on the from the right side. So if I edit here the position, I can say side and click on update. If we refresh again, alright, so if you click on the contact again, you'll see it from the right side of the screen. So that's a different behavior of navigating to the contact record. Now, if you want to use or if you want to open the record in a side pane instead, go here, click edit. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to add side panes here. Create table record side pane. Configure. First, you will say contact record, and here you need an image URL from, let's say, from Dynamics, or basically a URL. And what I will, in this example, I'm going to use this image, which is from from Dynamics. And the pane ID, you need to select, let's say, a specific pane ID. And then here you can choose if the user can close it or not. So I'll choose yes. Width in pixels, I'm going to choose the same thing, 600. Table schema name, so I'm going to choose for contact, table name, record ID is the same. So attributes, contact, and value ID. Done, save, update. All right. If we refresh now the opportunity form, if we click on the contact, and you can see that it is opened in a side pane, and I can collapse it and continue working. If I open it again, I will see the record is open here. And even if I navigate, let's say, to outside the opportunity record, I will still see this here until if I want to, let's say, to close. All right, thanks for seeing the video, and I hope you enjoy build flows.